trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Frederick, Harry Grove Stadium, Ballinger Creek, Walkersville, Braddock Heights, New Market, Discovery Spring Garden, Clover Hill, Lincoln or Bartonsville, Adamstown, Jefferson, Buckeyestown, Libertytown, Monrovia, Hichamsville, Bloomfield, Mount Pleasant, Clifton, Park Mills, and Middletown in Frederick, Maryland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud to ground lightning is occurring with this storm.
Yeah.
Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Cool.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
And there's proof that it just wasn't a continuation.
A special marine warning remains in effect.